Hor Mok, or steamed fish curry, is a traditional Thai dish that's flavorful and aromatic. Here's a detailed recipe to help you prepare this delightful dish at home. Ingredients: curry paste, 5 to 6 dried red chilies, soaked and de-seeded, 2 lemongrass stalks, thinly sliced, 4 kaffir lime leaves, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon galangal, thinly sliced, 4 garlic cloves, 5 shallots, 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, toasted, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, toasted, 1 teaspoon white peppercorns, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Fish mixture: 500 grams white fish fillet, such as snapper or cod, cut into bite-sized pieces, 200 milliliters coconut milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon red curry paste, from the above, 2 kaffir lime leaves, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 1 cup Thai basil leaves, 1 cup shredded cabbage. Topping: 100 milliliters coconut milk, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 kaffir lime leaves, thinly sliced, 1 red chili, thinly sliced. Instructions: preparing the curry paste. Grind the spices. Using a mortar and pestle, grind the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and white peppercorns until fine. Make the paste. Add the soaked red chilies, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, garlic, shallots, and shrimp paste to the ground spices. Pound everything together until you get a smooth paste. Add fish sauce and palm sugar, and mix well. Preparing the fish mixture. Mix ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the fish fillet pieces, coconut milk, egg, 1 tablespoon of the prepared curry paste, kaffir lime leaves, fish sauce, and palm sugar. Mix well until the fish is evenly coated. Fold in vegetables. Add Thai basil leaves and shredded cabbage to the fish mixture. Stir gently to combine. Assembling and steaming. Prepare banana leaves. If using banana leaves, cut them into squares and fold them to form small cups. You can also use small ramekins or ceramic cups. Fill the cups. Spoon the fish mixture into the banana leaf cups or ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Steam the fish curry. Place the cups in a steamer and steam over medium-high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the mixture is set. Preparing the topping. Make coconut topping. In a small saucepan, combine the coconut milk and rice flour. Cook over low heat, stirring continuously, until the mixture thickens. This should take about 5 minutes. Final touches. Add topping. Spoon a small amount of the thickened coconut milk mixture over each steamed fish curry. Garnish. Top with thinly sliced kaffir lime leaves and red chili. Serving. Serve Hor Mok hot, with steamed jasmine rice. Enjoy the rich and aromatic flavors of this traditional Thai dish. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and spices to your taste. Happy cooking!